Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. Well, today we're going to be mixing things up a little bit. I was going to be creating a video about how to upload a book into Amazon KDP, but I've already done that in the past, so I'll just leave a link up above for that. So today we're going to be doing things quite a bit differently. I've decided that I'm going to create a video with lots and lots of B-roll using a bit of software called Vidnami. Now, if you know Vidnami, you'll know what I'm talking about. If you don't know Vidnami, well, I'll give you a little bit of an explanation. You can get an article that you've written or a bit of PLR that you've got, and you can add it to Vidnami. It will then add video scenes to it, or still images, which will then in turn you can either put your own voice into it, where you can speak over it, or that's reading the script, or you can use the AI voice. Today I've decided that I'm going to be using the AI voice just to see what it's like. And if you could leave a comment down below to let me know what you think of this, if you prefer it this way, if you don't prefer it this way, if you like the way it's done but you would prefer to hear my voice on it, however you like it, just give us a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now, if 50% of you really hate it, then I might just do perhaps one of these per month. If you love it, then I'll do them far more regularly. If you just can't stand it, I'll just not do it ever again. So leave a comment down below, because that's the only way I'm going to really know. Whatever you do, please. This is just an experiment today, so please don't unsubscribe. Don't let me know through unsubscribing. Please stay subscribed and let me know in the comments down below. Please don't give me thumbs down, because that also affects the algorithm. But if you can, let me know through comments down below what you think of the content, how it's coming out. I'll be using an Australian voice to make it a little bit more like mine. And yeah, just as I said, let me know down below, because that's really the only way I'm going to be able to judge this. Alright guys, without any further ado, let's go check it out.
14 ways you can use PLR products today. So you can make money online with PLR. In the online world, products such as ebooks, videos, software, and articles can come with what's called private label rights, or PLR for short. Private label rights give you the rights through a license to be able to alter those products. You can then put your name on them and sell them as your own. Personally, I love PLR ebooks and articles. I prefer PLR products rather than MRR, Master Resale Rights, or RR, Resale Rights products. Usually, PLR comes with more rights and allows you to be able to change the product a lot more. Master Resale Rights usually does not allow you to change the product at all. However, it does allow you to sell it as is, and it usually allows you to sell the Resale Rights license along with it. Resale Rights gives you the rights to sell the product as is, and does not allow you to change the product in any way. It usually does not allow you to sell the license along with the product. It has far more restrictions with it. However, the benefit is that you have less work to do. Just a word of warning though. Read the product first. Because, if the quality of the product is not very good, you are putting your name on a product that is going to potentially affect your reputation in a bad way. So, my personal preference is grabbing some private label rights products. They give you far more freedom to do as you please with them, and you can improve them so your reputation is not poorly affected. Benefits of private label rights. 1. It allows you to create a variety of articles from one or more ebooks. You can do this because you have the license to change the content to fit your needs. You also have the freedom to repurpose that information as a whole new ebook, so you can get it out on the market as something unique and new. 2. Gives permission. It gives you permission so that you can improve it by adding information to any content that you find lacking, or you can delete irrelevant information. Some products may disappoint you if they do not measure up to your standards. However, PLR products give you the right to adjust the article's content if you're not happy with how it was formatted or written. 3. It also gives you permission to improve the product. You can do this by adding more information in the content that may be out of date. There may be some products out there that just don't cut the mustard in quality and standards. But saying that, PLR licenses allow you to adjust the content as you see fit, especially if you're not happy with how it is written. 4. Branding. Another benefit to PLR content is being able to brand yourself as an expert in your online niche. This way you can let the world know that your business exists. Having PLR products that you have changed and modified establishes you as the expert in your field. This helps the person looking at your business to learn to know, like, and trust you. If they learn to know, like, and trust you, then they will be more likely to buy from you in the future, as well as buy any affiliate products that you might recommend. This is in fact a win-win situation. Not only do you earn 100% of the money that is made on the product that you sell, but the person who created the PLR product benefits from you purchasing the rights to use the product from them. This allows social proof and allows them to put a higher price point on the products they sell, knowing that it will benefit the person buying the PLR product. So what can you do with PLR products? 5. Can create multiple products from them. Once it has been changed, you can add them to blog posts, article directories, websites. You can even create your own YouTube videos out of them, membership sites, and more. PLR products give you the freedom to create multiple products from one. 6. You can use it to increase your list. You can also offer it as a free email e-course as an incentive for your visitors to opt into your mailing list, or you can also offer a short report as a lead magnet to encourage them to join your list. 7. Blogs. You can also increase sales on your blogs. The articles that you have changed can be used to teach your reader about a certain subject. Then you can add affiliate links to encourage your reader to buy a product that has come from an affiliate program. 8. Become an expert in your field. You can rewrite several private label rights articles so you can create a completely unique ebook. The main benefit to this is that the majority of the work and research is already done for you. This can save you a lot of time having to learn new information because the work is already done for you. 9. You can also increase your website income. You do this by using keyword-rich articles on your website to earn extra income with Google AdSense. Google will pick up on your article, and if it is not considered duplicate content, it could be ranked on the first page of Google. If you have a Google AdWords account, you can then place a snippet of code onto your website, and this allows Google to place ads on your website. Visitors come to your site and you get paid every time someone clicks the ad displayed on your site. A good guide to changing your private label content. 10. Change the title. You must try and keep in mind that the private label rights content is written with someone else's personality and ideas. Try to begin by changing the title as well as the overall tone of the article. 11. Rewrite the opening paragraph. You should completely rewrite the opening paragraph. Don't be afraid to put it in your own words and restate what was said in the original paragraph, but in a different way. If you want to, you can use a thesaurus or an article spinner to help you look for alternative words so you can accomplish this task. 12. Read the entire article. Make sure you read the entire article. Change each paragraph as you go. This way it makes for unique content. You can also add new ideas if you wish to. This way you can lengthen the article or the ebook to give more value to your customer. If the article is quite long, you might want to split it up into 2 different articles. 13. Rewrite the conclusion. Be sure to completely rewrite the conclusion. Make sure you put in a call to action to encourage your reader to either buy a certain product, sign up to an email list, or join a membership site. 14. Use correct grammar. Make sure you use correct grammar when writing your ebook or your article. You can use a tool like Grammarly to help you do this and improve your writing. So grab yourself some PLR content today and see what it can do for you. Private label rights products can enhance your online business in so many ways. When you come across some good quality PLR product that gives you the freedom to change its content and allows you to add your name to it to make it your own, then it will be worth the money you spent on buying it. If you like this video, please consider pressing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Please leave a comment to let me know if you like how I did this video today, and let me know if I should make more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.
Welcome back, guys. Okay, once again, if you liked the video, please leave a comment down below. Even if you didn't like the video, please leave a comment down below. Just let me know one way or another. Now, if you want to get your hands on Vidnami with 25% off, I have got a link in the description down below. It won't cost you any extra. In fact, it's gonna, instead of being $47 a month, it'll be $35 a month. And so you're getting a 25% discount, and the link is in the description down below. But yeah, please let me know one way or another if you liked this video, and the things you liked about it, things you didn't like about it, and whether or not you'd like me to continue doing videos like this. Okay guys, I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.